heart of a champion is not just something you have, it's something you are.
When you get the right people in place, the right processes, we're able to build it right together.
What can you do with your business to make the biggest beneficial impact you can? The type of investment in sustainability is actually the best investment you can actually make.
I see nothing but really good things.
The path you select determines whether it will cost you a lot of money or save you a lot of money.